As you know, my name is Alex Menashe, and as you can tell from my last name, I am a Menashe. And we have a very large family, as the entire congregation never ceases to point out that, oh, I know a Menashe. And that question always makes me kind of smile, because everybody in Portland knows a Menashe. More often than not, the place that we meet is here at Neve Shalom, in services, sitting side by side. Recently, when I graduated from Wednesday Night School, which is a wonderful program that we have here, is the high school Hebrew class, you looked into the crowd and you saw my cousins, you saw my papu, you saw my parents, you saw my uncle, you saw my little cousins. And that's just part of who we are and the culture that we have here at Neve Shalom, is you build a family and you support one another, and you're there for each other 100% of the time. Tikkun Olam, fixing the world, that was another topic that we covered very heavily, and through my experience with local youth groups and working hand in hand with Neve Shalom and Rabbi Isaac, we went around the state, not just Portland, and helped literally fix the world. We took a trip here at Neve Shalom, and we went down to Vernonia, Oregon, when the floods happened, and together we did a lot of work. So I've been here at Neve Shalom ever since I was a very, very small boy, which apparently now I'm not so small, but I started coming here when I was about 1.5, 2 years old, about the earliest you can attend, Neve Shalom's foundation school, and I never stopped coming. And sometimes that may not have been my favorite thing to do, when other kids are out playing sports and whatnot, but let me tell you, when you're standing there on the podium, when you're 13 years old and you've got, 300, 400 sets of eyes just glued on you as you're, really just letting loose all these, these tropes, the words in the Torah, and you're really just showing your family, your friends, and the community as a whole what you learned here. It's a fine example, because I have never seen a bar or bat mitzvah here where you walk away just feeling unfulfilled, and especially with the, the speeches that they give, the Devar Torahs that the bar and bat mitzvahs give to the crowd. Always, 100% of the time, I always walk away feeling as if I learned something, and it really astounds me what we're able to accomplish here. As I prepare to go off to college at Oregon State University, go Beavs, I look at the Jewish community down there, I look at the synagogue, I look at the Hillel, the Chabad at the Oregon State campus, and it's not near the size or the intensity of what we have here at Neve Shalom. There's not near the pride, there's not near the culture, there's not near the community. So when I'm, sitting in services on a Friday night when they have them, I'm going to be sitting there thinking about home. I'm going to be sitting there thinking about Rabbi Greenstein, Rabbi Isaac, standing on the pulpit, preaching to us and telling us, what it is we should be looking for, the values that we can take away from the services and the Devar Torah of their day. And I think about home. I think about Neve Shalom. Ever since I was in Sunday school as a little third grader here at Neve Shalom, I can remember that envelope being passed around and the teacher saying to you, okay, who's got a quarter, who's got a nickel for tzedakah? And for about the first 2 years, I never had a quarter, I never had a nickel, because I always forgot. But you think, you hear it, I don't know how many times, 30, 40 times over the course of the year, okay, who's got tzedakah? It finally starts to hit home. So from then on, even if it was a can of soup, even if it was $1, a penny, whatever I had in my pocket, I always made sure that I put something in the tzedakah envelope. And here at Neve Shalom, we always keep an eye on tzedakah and the community around us. Whether it's helping a family that's fallen on hard times, or another community, not necessarily Jewish, who's fallen on hard times. We make sure that those around us are supported and that they know here at Neve Shalom, we do truly care.